Music make you lose control.
Oh, welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today, we're going to be talking about the Apple Unleashed event. In this video, we will focus on music. Also, guys, I will be doing a giveaway on the Poetry Ultra Portable Mini Wireless Microphone. It's great for blogging, YouTube, and so forth on. I will give more details in the description below. But first, don't forget to subscribe, hit notification bell, like, and leave a comment below. Now, let's go on to the most important part of the show, and that's a joke for the day. And the joke is, what do you give a vampire with a sore throat? Come on now. You know this. You give him coffee medicine. Apple's Unleashed event was fire. Apple wanted to focus on two elements, music and the MacBook Pro. But in this video, we will focus on music.
Let's start with music. Music plays such an important part in our lives. It has the power to inspire, lift us up, and bring us together.
They started off with Apple Music and Siri. I guess Siri got some major improvements, but they said you can find any type of music just with your voice, like your favorite songs, albums, or playlists. But they went a step further. If you wanted to use your voice to find the perfect music for the mood, like a dinner party, well, Apple powered thousands of playlists that will specifically go with your mood. So if you tell Siri, help me relax, or find a playlist for hiking, or play baby shower music, it will play that perfect playlist for you, which brings a brand new subscription plan for Apple Music lovers called the Voice Plan. This new plan will only use your voice and the power of Siri to access every song, every station in Apple Music. The subscription plan starts off at $4.99 and will be available in 17 countries and regions later this fall. Also, the other subscription plans are the individual plan for $9.99 a month and the family plan at $14.99 a month. Then you have HomePod Mini, which comes in 5 different colors: yellow, orange, bold blue, white, and space gray. This will allow you to set reminders, play music, and so on. Basically, it's like Google Home. The HomePod Mini will cost $99 and it will be released in November. Now let's talk about the much awaited AirPods 3rd generation. The new AirPods will have spatial audio feature, Dolby Atmos, and Apple Music. The new AirPods will play your music into 3-dimensional immersive sound that will embed deeper and clearer audio. The Apple AirPods will make a true multi-dimensional sounding experience everywhere you go. The new redesign comes with a powerful bass and crisp and clean high frequency. The redesign offers comfort to all ear sizes and shape. The Apple AirPods will be sweat and water resistant, so you don't have to worry about when you jog in the rain, because it's water resistant and sweat resistant if you jogging in the heat. And the one-touch setup will automatically pair to all of your Apple devices. The battery life has increased up to 6 hours of listening time, and 5 minutes of charging will give you an hour of use. And your charger case will provide 30 hours of total listening time. MagSafe and wireless charging is also added. The AirPods will cost $179, the AirPods Pro will cost $249, and the AirPods Max will cost $549. Not to mention, you can pre-order all of these products today. And the question for today is, are you more interested in the AirPods 3, HomePod Mini, or the new Apple Voice subscription? Me personally, I love the HomePod Mini. And I think because a different variety of colors really caught my attention. And don't get it wrong, I love the AirPods 3 because I love the immersive sound it gives you. And it's fat, it fit in any ear. But right now, if I had to choose, I'm going with colors. Because you guys know me, I love to see colors and variety. And also guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. And remember guys, don't forget about the giveaway as well. Check all the information in the description below. Until next one guys, I'll see you guys later.